And welcome back to my channel, House of AB Design. I'm AB and I'm so happy to have you here today. I have decided to come on with a quick video of how I created these candle holders out of a lamp and existing candles that I purchased from Big Lots. So I got this lamp base from Savers. Actually purchased two of them. And I decided that I liked the base and I wanted to have a candle that had a little bit of height to it. So I decided to take this one apart, and here you see me taking out the inside. I had already cut the electrical cord already. So I got the strongest pair of wire cutters that I could find, and I proceeded to take the very top off. I then got a napkin ring from Ollie's and some E6000 glue. I then took the E6000 glue and put it on the one side of the napkin ring, and that's the side that's going to adhere to the base of the lampshade. With this E6000 glue, you have quite a bit of time to position the two pieces that you want to connect together, because it does not dry fast. I then used the Rust-Oleum metallic finish gold spray paint and gave it its first coat of paint. I got this white birch smelling candle from Big Lots. Now I'm going to take the E6000 glue and put it on the other side of the napkin ring, and then attach the napkin ring to the base of the candle. The weight of the candle helps to secure it in place so you don't have to tape it. Next, I'll take some paper and wrap around the part of the candle that I do not want to spray paint. My goal here is just to spray paint the underside of the candle and have it match the gold that I spray painted the napkin ring and the base of the lamp. Once I finished spray painting, I let this dry for about maybe an hour or so. This paint dried pretty quickly. I was outside, it was pretty windy, so I didn't have to wait too long. Once everything was complete, I was then able to light my candles and enjoy the ambiance right by the fireplace. This DIY was very easy. It costs next to nothing to accomplish, and it gives the greatest impact. Who doesn't love a candle beside the fireplace? This can be used for the upcoming holidays, for a tablescape, or just to enjoy. I hope this video inspired you to create change to transform your space into something that you desire. Until next time, thanks for watching.